were shining. My heart was lost on a distant planet that whirls around the April moon, whirling in an arc of sadness. I'm lost